they paraded nakedly, leading them through by the roadside and leading them to the field. So you feel very sorry with this. Not only these two ladies, most of the ladies, more than 6 or 7 ladies were given this kind of atrocities, assault, and then they were raped, and especially 2 ladies are also still in the war. I really feel sorry for these 2 ladies because they are voiceless now. They cannot say what happened to themselves. But from their dead body, we can know that even their private parts were cut off. And even glasses were shot in their private parts. So it really brings back the Human Organization for Human Rights. I would like to put forward that these women, yes, there are so many rape cases in India also, we know, and we really feel sorry and we really express our solidarity with them all. But I want to put a difference here. Here in Kuki-Zo, women, daughters were raped and killed. Why? It is because they belong to a particular community, Kuki-Zo women. So I used to speak to some other newsmen also, media persons also, that rape cases in India, in different states, and rape case in Manipur cannot go together. I told them why? Because in other states they are being assaulted and raped because they are women. But here in Manipur, our daughters are treated like this because they belong to a particular community. That is what I would like it to put to our respected sirs. And lastly, when we speak about justice for women, yes, I agree, justice should be given to every woman under the circumstances of this rape, assault, and whatever, the violent human rights violence. But I would like to stress on that our women, our daughters who were killed, who were raped, who were assaulted and killed, their cases cannot be just as what justice which is given to others. And our death, our torture should go along with our political solution. Because they are being raped and killed because they belong to the tribal, the Kuki, the Zongo person. So I would like to thank you very much. Thank you so much for inviting this very best. Thank you.